This is nothing but the molecular structure of butane. The formula for butane is C4H10. So here altogether numbers of carbon atom is 4 and the numbers of hydrogen atom is 10. You can see in this model I have taken 4 black ball which represents the carbon atom and 10 other different colors ball which represent hydrogen atom. If I count, there is H10 and C4.
Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is a compound which is basically made up of a hydrogens and carbon atom only. So they form the basic of organic chemistry. So in our everyday life we are using petrol, LPG and natural gas. These are all made up of a hydrocarbons. So there are two types of hydrocarbon. One is saturated hydrocarbons. They are alkanes with a single bond, and the unsaturated hydrocarbons, they are alkynes with a double and triple bond. Some of the hydrocarbons like benzenes are aromatic in nature and having a ring-like structure. So from the fuel to plastics, all compounds are made up of a hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons are very essential use in our day-to-day life activities. Fourth member of alkane family is butane. Let's have a look. Butane, B-U-T-A-N-E, butane. This is the fourth member of alkane family. Its general formula is same. Now have a look how we'll find the molecular formula. Here N is 4. Here N is 4. So C4H. If we put N is equal to 4, then 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So C4H10 is the molecular formula of butane. Now we'll draw the structural formula. Since there are 4 carbons, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It holds 3 hydrogen, it holds 2 hydrogen, it holds 2 hydrogen, and the last carbon will hold 3 hydrogen. So these are all will be filled up by hydrogen. So these are all hydrogen. So there will be altogether 10 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hydrogen and 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So this is the structural formula of butane. Now condensed structure will be CH3, CH2, here also 2 hydrogens, CH2, here 3 hydrogens, CH3. This is the condensed structure of the butanes. So now we are going to prepare our model of butanes. Let's have a look.
So this is nothing but the model of molecular structure of butane. The formula is C4H10. So in order to make a model of butane, I have taken 4 carbon atoms which are black balls and the other different color which represents the hydrogen atoms. Here you can see this in this model. I have taken 4 black balls which represents carbon atom and the 10 other different balls which represent hydrogen atom. If I count, you'll get hydrogen is 10 and carbon is 4. Thank you for watching.